Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa Correa and this is my channel. Alright guys, today I'm doing a very exciting video. I'm going to be showing you guys my 2020 contour and highlighting routine, and I'm super excited to teach you guys, especially if you're new at makeup and you feel lost at contouring and highlighting. This will be a good video for you. Today's video, I really just love to focus on my cheekbones and making that high contour slash bronzy look. So if you're excited for that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn those post notifications on so you can be notified when I post. And also make sure you are connected to all my social media platforms so you guys can be the first ones to know about my next giveaway. Thank you to everybody who joined my last giveaway. It was really fun, really exciting. I did not expect for it to turn out the way it did, and it made me so happy. So thank you guys for all of the love and the support. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna have my Daisy Marquez palette mirror just so I can be looking while I show you guys my routine. Also guys, I want to say, if you're gonna be following along with this routine, make sure you have 2 beauty blenders. So the first thing I would do after I have my foundation done and my eyebrows, I go ahead and conceal my face. So for today, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer. It's a full coverage concealer, so you know I like my full coverage. You guys can use whatever concealer is good for you and works for you. So I start by just concealing the inner corner right here, and it actually highlights your face even more. So I just like to focus on this area. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And then I just like to put it on the sides of my lips. I feel like this part is really like dark for some reason, even with foundation on. So I put it there, and then I put it under here, and then I'll just highlight a little bit. It's kind of a lot, but I'm just gonna go in with my Anastasia cream contour, and then I'm gonna add this little essential serum. When I grab it on the brush, I don't really like when the contour is dry, so I'm just gonna put like a dot in the colors that I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this contour brush. This is the Morphe M579 brush, and I'm gonna go and really just spread that oil in the pan. Now that we have product on the brush, I'm going to just focus on this area right here. I've really been liking to do my contour higher than lower, so I'm gonna focus. I'm gonna follow this line right here. And then I like to bring it up here just so it can connect. I'm gonna go back and do the other side. Now I just go up here and do my forehead, girl. And then I'm gonna bring it down. I like to do my double chin too, just so you know. Alright guys, now that I have highlighted and placed the contour where I want it to be, so this is when the 2 beauty blenders come in. You can tell this one's more for my contour and this is going to be more for my highlight. What I like to do first is the highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and blend out that highlight. Guys, look how full coverage this concealer is. I would totally recommend. So as I highlight, I just really like to get in there. Blending is key. I like to go in this little crease in my nose, as you can see, and make sure the product really gets in there. Now I'll go and do my bottom on my chin. Bring it back up. Make sure your dark spots are really highlighted and bright. Now I'm going to go in with the other beauty blender and really blend out this contour. Don't worry, it's going to really look harsh at first, but you just have to keep blending. So what I like to do is just blend, focusing on bringing it up, just because I want my cheeks to look more elevated. I also like to bring it towards the hairline. Now I'm gonna do my top again, bring it towards the hairline, and the same thing on the other side. Now I'm just using the bottom of the beauty blender just so these harsh lines can leave a little bit. Now I'm going to blend the contour on my jaw, but blend it down. Alright y'all, so I know a lot of people have different ways of contouring. This is just how I do it and what works for me, so do not worry if it doesn't work for you. Everybody's face is different. I'm gonna take my holy grail, my Fit Me pressed powder, and I'm gonna take this Morphe E49 brush. It's like a flat but puffy brush in a way, and I'm just gonna dip in to the powder. I'm gonna focus more in the inner corners to make sure that part is really highlighted. While I do that, I'm gonna bring it down to all the other places I highlighted. It's a full coverage concealer, so you always have to make sure you set that so it does not crease. I'm now going to grab the powdered bronzer for the day. Today I chose to do the Kosas Contra Chroma Color and Light Pressed powder. So I'm going to be using this bronzer right here. I don't know what it is, but I really love this bronzer. Again, focusing up and towards the hairline. I also like to bring it into where I'm going to do my blush, just so it can mix and give me like that nice contour. Now on top, bottom, make sure you get that double chin. I really love Daisy Marquez's like facial structure. Like, I didn't really like my cheeks at first. Her cheekbones are really like there, and I've just started to like love it more. And I don't know, when I smile, I just feel like my cheekbones just show more, and the way I contour really helps that out. Alright guys, now I'm gonna go back with my Fit Me Loose powder. I'm just going to outline the bottom of my contour. Alright guys, so next, you don't really have to do this step, but I like to use the air spun. This is gonna be so bad because it's gonna explode. Okay, yeah, so I like to grab my air spun. I have like this beauty blender where it's like flat on top and flat on the sides, but I'm gonna use the top and grab some air spun, and I'm just gonna go back and put it basically where I outlined with my pressed Fit Me powder. I'm just gonna do that, and this is just gonna enhance the highlight more and really cut the contour. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut a little bit higher. I like to achieve like that sharp cheekbone look, so I'm just gonna bring it up and anchor it up. Now I'm just gonna go and put some on the bridge of my nose. Alright guys, so while that sets in, I'm just gonna go ahead now and do my blush. I've been obsessed with this blush. I got it in my Ipsy bag, and it's from Finding Ferdinand. It's in the shade Skinny Dip, and it's just a really like light peachy blush. And I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe G39 brush and really focus the blush on my cheekbones. Use a light hand on that one so my head doesn't look like too orange. Alright y'all, so now I'm gonna use this Morphe M553 brush, and I'm going to wipe out the loose powder, but while I wipe it out, I like to mix it in with the rest of my contour and my blush. Now that I wiped the majority of it, I'm just going to go with the rest and really mix it in. I'm going to go back to the Kosas, and I'm going to use this Morphe E21 brush. It's like an eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to do this trick that I saw in Daisy Marquez's video. I've been obsessed with, that she puts it on her eyelids and connects it down to her nose, and then connects it all to her face. And then, this is the part she brings it down to her nose. I just like to smooth it out with my fingers just so it doesn't look too hard. Alright y'all, now what I like to do is go ahead and set my face. Today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Soothing Alloy Mist. I'm literally running out guys, I need to buy more because this is so bomb. Alright, so I just went in and did some mascara off the camera. Alright, and now I'm just going to go right here, your smile lines, and I'm just going to make sure the foundation, the concealer, and the powder is all set, just so we don't have any creases. Guys, now we're gonna go into highlights, one of the last steps of this contour routine. I'm gonna go in with the highlight. I'm gonna use my Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit. I'm gonna go in with Moonstone. And then for my highlight, guys, I focused it on top of the blush. But because the blush is kind of powerful, it doesn't really like take away from it. Focus it a lot also right in front of my face, like right here. So when you're taking pictures and you're smiling, you can really just see that highlight and not just when you turn to the side. I like to do this right here too and bring that in to my forehead. Now guys, I'm just gonna go in with the Morphe E17 brush. It's basically just like a little eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna go into the same highlight and do my nose. So I just like to focus on where I highlighted my nose with the loose powder, just on the bridge of the nose and then on the tip. And that is it, guys. That is my 2020 contour and highlighting routine. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn those post notifications on so you can be notified to any new videos, any new giveaways. And yeah, guys, join the family. Alright guys, thank you once again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.